Here's an equation business owners know all too well. Time plus labor equals money. So what makes more sense? Hiring 2 men to spend an hour installing a handrail in your facility, or having just one person do it in the same amount of time?
It used to require 2 of us to install 60 feet of handrail. We had to spend a lot of time drilling holes for the brackets because they had to be spaced very precisely. If we were off just a fraction, we'd have to re-drill the whole thing. Then we had to assemble the railing itself because we had to drill holes through the retainer to match the bracket locations. It took both of us to lift the railing and get it attached to the brackets. It would take about an hour for 2 contractors. No way one person could do it themselves.
Construction Specialties has the solution. CS Acrovyn quick lock brackets are so easy to use that one person can do an installation in the same amount of time that it used to take 2 people.
Quick lock is unbelievable. We don't have to worry about whether our drill holes are dead on. We just line up and install the quick lock brackets, put the handrail on the brackets, and then give the brackets a twist. Bingo, you're done. One guy can handle the installation by himself, and they even give you the wrench.
As the facility owner, from my point of view, it couldn't be better. Switching to quick lock brackets has cut our handrail installation costs in half. And since the rails don't have to be drilled, they can be assembled anywhere, which cuts down on the time it takes to do the work.
Handrails utilizing quick lock brackets can also be easily removed for painting or other purposes. Again, it's quick, it takes less manpower, and that means less expense. And when you're talking about facilities with sometimes miles of handrail, you're talking about sizable savings. Quick lock brackets from CS Acrovyn, a simple alternative that's simply amazing.